Hi, welcome to our Best Kayak Guide channel. In this video, we are looking at the topic, Best Sea Kayaks for Beginners. We highly recommend you to read the full in-depth blog post by go to the link below. So let's dive in. Sea kayaks are one of the most popular vessels on the water. They offer a unique experience that can't be found with any other boat. And because they are so versatile, sea kayaks can be used for a variety of activities, such as fishing, surfing, and diving. However, before you can enjoy these activities, you need to learn how to use a sea kayak. This is where beginner sea kayaks come in. In the full blog post we have written on our website, we have done hours of research, and we review best sea kayaks for beginners. Number 1. AQUAGLIDE Navarro 145 best overall. Number 2. Pelican Sprint XR best runners-up. Number 3. Sea Eagle 330 best budget. Number 4. Lifetime Glide 98. Number 5. AQUAGLIDE Noyo 90. Number 6. Lifetime Payette 98. Number 7. Evaxo Tide Kayak. And some related matters. As I mentioned before, we go into much more detail in our blog post about the above topic. Inside that article, we dive into each of the areas above, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below, and you can read all about the research we have done on this topic. See you inside the blog post, and let us know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day, and thank you for checking out bestkayakguide.com.